Today's plan is to take this piece of oak and turn it into a teardrop sculpture. Let's do it. That green thing is called a jaw horse, perfect for holding chunks of wood at odd angles. That black thing on the grinder is called a turbo plane, and that's perfect for carving quickly and precisely. I really don't suggest wearing gloves with rotating tools, but it's freezing today, so I sort of have to. This oak grain is incredible. I really want to leave a ring of the lighter colored outer wood, but some of those cracks go a little too deep, so I have to take off a bit more material than I would like. What I'm looking for here are those concentric circles that go all the way up to the tip of this shape. Then with the shaping dish, I'm refining and smoothing so I can get exactly the look I'm searching for there. Oak is really hard, so that means sanding takes forever, especially on a rounded piece like this. But with a little patience, we can get all the way to 220 grit. And that Clapham's beeswax and mineral oil can penetrate the grain. There's nothing quite like the warmth of oak grain. Quite pleased with this one. It's satisfyingly heavy in the hand. I think a series of these in different woods might be kind of cool.